Hi, this is Dave George with Seniors Marketing Academy, and today I want to talk to you about 5 different ways you can make money with Digistore24. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe button and ring the bell. Also, if you're truly interested in an internet marketing career, click on the link below. You'll get access to a free 12-step action plan. And by the way, did I mention it's free? It's how I got started, and it will be a great way for you to move forward in a marketing career for yourself. Now, Digistore24 is an affiliate marketing platform that enables you to get started on an affiliate marketing career very quickly and with little to no investment on your part. Now, let's review what Digistore24 is. Okay, we're inside the Digistore24 marketplace. Digistore24 mainly sells digital products, and it goes into several different niches, as you see here, with animals and pets, all the way down to sports. So if you already have a niche set up that you want to use, and it's in this one of these categories, then obviously you want to focus on that. But if you're still fairly new, can't figure out what your niche should be or want to be, usually the ones that are the most common ones or the most profitable ones are business and investment, dating, love and relationships, and fitness and health. Those are the 3 areas that are typically pretty evergreen. And when you do pick whatever criteria you're looking for, like in fitness and health, you just click on the link. It'll take you to all the products available to you in that category, and then you can review and decide what product you want to sell. Now here you're seeing, for example, the keto after 50. This looks good, 50% commission, but look, the actual percentage or the actual amount of money that you can make is only $3.43 per sale. So what you want to focus on is a little bit higher targets, something that makes $20, $30 a sale, so you're not wasting your time. So once you pick the product, what do? Well, there's 5 different ways I want to talk to you about in terms of the different ways you can market your product from Digistore24. Let's talk about the 5 different ways to make money online with Digistore24. First one I want to talk about is a blog. If you already have an existing blog, if you're already promoting a certain niche at this time, then you can take whatever product you found in Digistore24 that matches that niche. You can write an article about a subject. Let's say you picked diabetes and there was a diabetes product in there. You can talk about maybe like 5 different ways to prevent diabetes or lessening your diabetes or lower your A1C, whatever the case may be. And then there's a product in there that talks about lowering your blood sugar. Then you can do that article, reference that product by having a link to that product that you're wanting to promote, and then you can move forward with selling that product on your blog. Okay, let's talk about email. If you've already have a list of followers that you're emailing out on a regular basis in your niche, and you find a product in Digistore24 that complements that niche, then obviously you want to talk a little bit about it and then again send a link out to your users. Now, the one thing about email subscribers is you want to make sure you're taking good care of them. They're not just a cash register that you turn around and you just send just emails out just to promote a product. You want to build a relationship with those people, and then when you do recommend a product, they're more likely to want to check into it more, possibly buy, because they believe in what you're telling them. So if you're going to use email as a method of doing it, make sure you've established a relationship first. Now the next thing I want to talk about is YouTube. YouTube in its way is almost like a video version of email. But the difference is you're trying to not only show to your followers what you have, but you're also trying to develop new followers. You want to have new members joining your YouTube channel so that you can present good information to them. So if you're talking about a certain niche and you're talking about something within that niche that can be helpful to your followers, and there's a product in Digistore24 that meets those qualifications, this is a good way and time to promote that. You can talk about the general area. Then you can say, hey, if you really want to see a method I have found that's going to be helpful for you, click on the link below and check it out. So that's a good way to also promote any product that you're trying to represent in Digistore24. Another one is, of course, Facebook. Facebook is a good resource, much like all the other ones. You can create a certain page within Facebook, or you can post to other people about something you found. But the whole goal is to, again, develop a relationship with the people that are in that group that you've created, or with the people who are following you on Facebook. So that, again, you're not just getting on there just to provide a link to something else. And besides, within Facebook, you can't direct link anyways. What you can do is you can link to, again, your blog, or you can just talk about the product without a link and then post a link and a separate message underneath the actual page. And the last one, but certainly the least one, is Google Ads. You can pay to have ads run. You can set up a budget. You can say, okay, I want to spend $10 a day, $15 a day, $20 a day to promote this product using Google Ads. Of the different choices that I've just given you, that's the most risk when it comes to spending money, and would be my last choice. That would be not the one I recommend, but if you have a lot of experience already using Google Ads, then this might be a good option for you. Okay, once you've picked your method that you want to use and you're referring people to your product, the most common issue that people run into is they send somebody where they can click a button. Now, what kind of button can they click in? Rookies, what they'll do is they'll go directly to the sales page. And when they go to the sales page directly, then they avoid getting any kind of information other than the fact that it takes them to the sales page. The person looks at the sales page, they decide if or when they want to buy, and if they do, then it goes on to the order page, and you make a sale. Well, that's great. But the problem is that becomes a one-time deal. In other words, you've already put in a lot of work to get people to that sales page, and you're getting the benefit of a sale, whether it's $10, $20, $30, whatever it happens to be, and then that's it. But experienced marketers, what they'll do is they'll put it in an opt-in page first, because what you want to do at that point in time is gather, get the information that you want, and then in terms of a name and or an email address, so that when they take a look at this product, you get a chance to collect some information from them. And the reason why you want to do that is oftentimes what will happen is people won't buy initially. They'll see it, they'll go, oh yeah, I don't have time to look at this now, I'll look at it later, and then they forget about it. And so not only have you not captured any information, but you may miss out on a sale that you could have very easily got. So what you want to do is have them opt in, and then that can also take them to the sales page and then the order page, but you've gathered their information. But if they don't purchase immediately, then you've created a lead. Then what you can do is then send an email to them, reminding them about the opportunity that they had looked at before. And then if they don't respond right away, you can send another email. Then you can send another email. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 or 5 emails before people will go, oh yeah, wait, I did have an interest in that. Let me go back and take a look at it. I'll just click on this link. So not only will that help you increase the number of sales you have, but when you have other opportunities that you feel would benefit them, then you can take that email address and then email them out. Plus, you can develop a relationship, build your subscriber list by sending out relevant information. You don't always want to do nothing but send emails out trying to sell them something. You want to give them value. You want to have them have a reason to open up your emails. That's what the successful marketers do, and that's what I want to encourage you to do. And you can start doing that by using Digistore24. So that's a fast, quick way to show you 5 different ways you can make money using Digistore24. It's really good for fairly new marketers, people just trying to get their footing in sales and their niche. I encourage you to take advantage of it. Now, will it be something that you'll be using on a regular basis 1, 2, 3 years down the road? No. But it's a great way to get started, get some confidence built up, get some subscribers built, and then help you move forward in your internet marketing career. But if you really want to get a good jump start, again, click on the link below to my website. You'll see a 12-step action plan that's free that will really help you get started moving forward in your net journey. Till the next time, take care, everybody.